You've seen foldable phones before. You've seen them flip, fold, and bend. But you've never seen anything like this. This is the iPhone Fold, the ultimate foldable device from Apple. And it's unlike any other foldable phone on the market. It's not just a phone. It's not just a tablet. It's a whole new category of device. And it's coming soon. In this video, I'll reveal everything we know so far about the iPhone Fold, the most anticipated device of 2026. So subscribe to the Tech Critic and stay tuned, because you don't want to miss this. Apple is reportedly working on a foldable iPhone. This is not a surprise, as Apple has been filing patents and prototypes for a foldable device for years. But what is surprising is how close we are to seeing it in action. According to the latest leaks and rumors, the iPhone Fold could launch as soon as 2026, alongside the iPhone 18. This would be a huge innovation for Apple, and could revolutionize smartphones and Apple's future plans. But why is Apple making a foldable iPhone? What is the purpose and the benefit of having a device that can fold? Well, the main reason is to offer a larger screen size when unfolded, and to enhance the user interface and functionality. The foldable iPhone would have an 8-inch OLED display when unfolded, which is comparable to the iPad mini. This would give the user more space and flexibility to enjoy media, gaming, productivity, and creativity. The foldable iPhone would also have a 4-inch display when folded, which is similar to the iPhone SE. This would make the device more compact and portable, and allow the user to perform quick actions or check notifications. The foldable iPhone would also offer a unique and versatile user experience, depending on the user's preference and the app they are using. The device might be able to switch between different folding modes and orientations, such as phone, mini tablet, laptop, book, and camera. For example, the user could use the device as a phone when folded, as a mini tablet when unfolded, as a laptop when propped up with a keyboard accessory, as a book when held sideways with 2 pages, or as a camera when flipped open with a viewfinder. The device would also have a smart hinge mechanism that would detect the folding angle and adjust the screen accordingly. But what will the foldable iPhone look like, and what will it be called? Well, the name is not confirmed yet, but many sources suggest that it will be called the iPhone Fold, following the naming convention of other foldable devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold and the Huawei Mate X. As for the design, Apple is working on 2 foldable iPhone prototypes, both of which fold widthwise like a clamshell. This means that the device will be similar in size to a current iPhone model when unfolded, but will fold in half when not in use, making it more compact and portable. The 2 prototypes are currently in early development and are being tested by Apple engineers in secret facilities. One of the prototypes has a dual screen design with 2 separate displays connected by a hinge. The other prototype has a single flexible OLED display that folds outwards, creating a seamless screen when unfolded. Both prototypes have a notch on the top of the screen, which houses the Face ID sensor and the front-facing camera. The dual-screen prototype is more similar to the existing foldable devices on the market, such as the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip or the Motorola Razr. This design has the advantage of being more durable and reliable, as the 2 screens are protected by a glass cover when folded. However, this design also has some drawbacks, such as the visible gap and crease between the 2 screens, the reduced battery life due to powering 2 displays, and the limited functionality of the outer screen. The single-screen prototype is more innovative and ambitious, as it would create a continuous and smooth screen when unfolded. This design has the advantage of offering a more immersive and uninterrupted user experience, as the screen would have no gaps or creases. However, this design also has some challenges, such as the durability and scratch resistance of the flexible display, the complexity and cost of the folding mechanism, and the potential compatibility issues with some apps and features. Apple has filed several patents that hint at the possible features and functions of the foldable device. One patent suggests that the device will have a flexible OLED display that folds outwards, creating a continuous screen when unfolded. The patent also shows that the device will have a durable and scratch-resistant glass cover, unlike the plastic covers used by other foldable devices. Another patent suggests that the device will have a hinge mechanism that allows it to fold inward, creating a gap between the two halves of the screen when folded. The patent also shows that the device will have magnets on the edges of the screen, which will help keep the device closed when folded. The foldable device will not compromise on performance or features. The device will likely run on a powerful processor, such as the A18 Pro chip, which will be able to handle the high-resolution display and the multitasking capabilities. The device will also have a high-quality camera system, with a 12MP wide-angle lens, a 12MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens on the back, and a 10MP selfie camera on the front. The device will also have a long-lasting battery, which will support wireless charging and 5G connectivity. The device will also have biometric security features, such as Face ID, which could be integrated into the screen or the side button. The device will run on iOS 18, which will be optimized for the foldable display and offer new and improved apps and functions. Apple will likely encourage developers to update their apps for compatibility with the foldable device, and might even create exclusive apps or features for the device. The iOS will be more versatile and intuitive on the foldable device, and will adapt to the different folding modes and orientations. The device will also offer various usage modes, depending on the user's needs and preferences. For example, the user could use the outer screen for quick actions or notifications, customize the screen with widgets or wallpapers, access their favorite apps and features on the larger screen, use split screen or picture-in-picture modes for multitasking, or enjoy immersive media and gaming experiences on the full screen. The foldable iPhone would also support a stylus, like the Apple Pencil, which could enhance the productivity and creativity of the user. The user could use the stylus to write, draw, sketch, annotate, or edit on the foldable screen, and enjoy the smooth and precise input. The stylus could also offer additional features, such as pressure sensitivity, tilt detection, gesture control, or wireless charging. The stylus could also be compatible with other Apple devices, such as the iPad or the Mac. However, there is still a lot of uncertainty regarding the device's release and success. It could be a game changer or a flop, depending on how well Apple executes the design, performance, and functionality of the device. There are also potential challenges and risks involved, such as the durability, reliability, and cost of the device. Apple will have to overcome these issues and convince the consumers that the foldable device is worth buying and using. That's why we will continue to monitor the latest news and leaks on the iPhone Fold and keep you updated on everything you need to know about this exciting and innovative device. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, The Tech Critic, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And let me know in the comments below, what do you think of the iPhone Fold? Are you excited or skeptical? Do you prefer the dual screen or the single screen design? How do you think it will compare to other foldable devices, such as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 or the Google Pixel Fold? Share your thoughts and opinions with us and join the discussion. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.